Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, my latest obsession. So during the week, I did something. I bought some plants, some new plants for my collection, and I wanted to share what I got. Totally, because it wasn't quite what I was expecting. Um, Everything shifted once they got here, like yesterday night, and I wanted to share that with you. So, a little background into like the story that unfolds is that I think I first ordered. Um, I wanted to get caladiums because I was researching how they propagate and how they work as a plant, and I fell in love with two of them, which are the Caladium Allure. I don't know how to say it, I'm sorry. And a red caladium that is named, I'm sorry, I'm so forgetful, and the Caladium Desert Sunset. I will put some pictures like on either side, I don't know if you're watching. And well, the story is that I made the order and they contacted me from the shop, like saying that the caladiums they had were like pretty damaged, or they weren't looking like as good as they should. And I said, like, I don't care, I want them. And they tried to change the order without my consent, and I got this Caladium Bicolor. I told them before, because they told me they were going to change it, that I didn't like it, but it turned out to be quite a surprise because it's huge, it's big, and like it looks pretty decent. Like, and the leaves are as huge as my hands or bigger, and I ended up loving it. Though this leaf came damaged, but I don't care because caladiums die in winter, and you have to do something special. I don't know if I can dig that much over this part. So they grow like in a bulb, and you have to cut all the leaves anyway and take care of the bulb and hide it until you can replant it when winter has ended, and then they will grow back. So I'm on the lower hemisphere of the world, and winter's coming, so I have to trim them anyway, like soon, so I don't care. But they ended up sending the other caladiums I ordered just like anyway. So this is the caladium. So this is the desert sunset they sent me, and they were right. It looks not as well. It looks pretty damaged. To be honest, this main leaf is not as damaged as the other ones, and it looks like kind of nice, almost like in the reference photo. So this leaf right here is like the worst one. It's like crumpled and it's dry. And this one has some darkening too, but it's not as bad as the other one. And well, as I said, I don't care. I will see if like it grows back into life with like special care when I repot and see like what the root system is or how big the bulb is, and I will be evaluating. Or the other option is just to like cut it all off and try to see if it sprouts again, but I'm not sure because of the temperature. So yeah, that's that. And this is the other caladium I got. Like, it's nothing, it's just like an unfurled leaf, and it's not in the best of conditions. Like, it shows like some drying. The other one did too, but you can see because the leaf is bigger, but this one's like dry, and they came out like in kind of an orchid mix. type of soil. So I don't know if I'll keep it or I'll change it. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, those are the caladiums I got. And because they made the change in the order, they also sent me this yellow calla lily. And I just loved it. I never thought I had one because, I don't know, I'm not really sure if I'm into it. But I think I am. Like, it surprised me a little bit. It has some like variegation. I don't know if it's a variegation or it is just like these white spots and these leaves are just like how the plant grows. I haven't done any research on calla lilies, so I don't really know. There's some drying, but nothing to be worried about. Like, I'm guessing it will grow back up if I just like plug it, but I'll do my research first. So that's with that. On another note, I got another Syngonium. This one is like a viney kind of Syngonium, and it looks kind of poor. Of course, I'm repotting all of these plants once the video is ended, and once I figure out what I'm gonna do with all the pots I've got like laying around, and reconfigure the whole plant setting I've got in my room. But I think I will be propagating this one because I've got other Syngoniums propagating in my room under like the growing light, and they've done so well. I will be propagating, and just to like later during the year when the little cuttings like grow roots and are ready to be put back into soil, I will be adding more to this one because I think I want to keep it like a hanging plant, and it doesn't look as good if there's just like one vine with leaves like falling from the pot. So I'll be putting more. So just for that, I will be trimming this as soon as I can. The other thing we got was a Monstera Adansonii. And I do really love this one, but all of the leaves are kind of damaged, but they're big, so it's not such a young plant. So I'm pretty sure that if I propagate it, first we can get more plants from the mother plant, and we will also improve growth, get new leaves, and there's one unfurling over here. I love like the holes this one has. It's such a beautiful plant. I love them. I wanted to get one of these like for a long time ago. Same as like the other propagation video on the rubber plant, the Ficus elastica. And well, I will be propagating like mainly because I can see the nodes over here, and they already have like some kind of root system going, because I think they were growing this plant on sphagnum moss, because you know I can see this is not aerial roots like over here like on this second node. There are also some other like drying roots like on the lower node closer to the stem, and yeah. And there's shoots coming out. I didn't realize that. Like, oh yeah, because they made a cutting on a node and it's recovering. And I think there's actually like 2 little shoots coming out on this one. So it's doing well. I will repot it and like evaluate if I do really propagate it once again. I won't make as much cuttings as I've done before in other plants because I don't want to risk it. I've got like an elbow monstera like growing roots on my room under the growing light, and it hasn't done as well as I thought it would, so I'll just be careful with that. And last thing but not least is the Philodendron Longifolia. And this one surprised me like big time because I didn't pay as much, and it's the best one out of all of them. I think it has like such huge leaves and with dark color, and this new ones over here and another shoot coming out of there. I don't think I'll do anything to this one like in a long time because I just love how big it is and I don't want it to get any younger. Um, but I like already have like new favorite plant already. I'm so excited.
Look at the glow these leaves have. Like, this wasn't what I was expecting when I ordered this plant. I expected so much less. It really surprised me and got my jaw dropping. Like, I really can't believe like how massive it is and how beautiful it turned out to be. I am so happy. And there they are. Every single new plant I got yesterday. Um, we'll be giving them names like in the following videos and checking progress, growth, maybe propagation when they get old enough. And that's it. I didn't really film an ending to this video, so if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you feel like sharing and spreading the love. And we'll be seeing each other in the next videos. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.